Hi, it's Tim at Engine Factory. We just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 540 horsepower turnkey package engine with the Holley Sniper fuel injection for our customers' 2023 FFR MK4 Cobra. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. We started with a brand new 4-bolt main block, all forged steel internals, double roller timing chain installed, brand new timing cover, new balancer. You have the roller lifter camshaft in there, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. We have the Cobra valve covers with the 427 badges on there. All the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Correct Moroso rear sump oil pan for the FFR Cobra. Oil stick and tube on there. You have the aluminum intake manifold. MSD distributor set in place. MSD ignition coil. Holley Sniper fuel injection system on there. The throttle cable balls installed. Throttle return springs and bracket. It's real nice 427 cubic inches air cleaner. Every engine is live run at the engine factory, fully tested. I'll set the ignition timing. The Holley Sniper fuel injection menu screen will be completely dialed in. All the settings set for you. Plug and play, ready to go, fully tuned. We have the correct aluminum bell housing for the TKX transmission on there. We supply the transmission bolts on there. Ram clutch is all aligned. Clutch fork, throwout bearings installed. We put the external slave cylinder on there, adjusted the setting on there. It's all set, ready to go. High torque mini starter. These real nice blue ignition wires with all the wire markers on there. High torque starter, 140 amp. One wire hookup alternator right here. Heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt. Belt tensions all set. High flow aluminum water pump. This is the correct pulley kit. High mount alternator for the MK4 Cobra for the frame clearance right here. We have the thermostat housing on there. 45-degree thermostat housing. Thermostats installed. Coolant bypass hose. Oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup. We installed the heavy duty Russell fuel line, all the clamps, gas filters all set. This is the way you get it, a custom built, complete turnkey, drop-in ready engine, ready to go. 427 Ford, the 540 horsepower package with the Holley Sniper fuel injection. Thanks for watching.